NutriBullet is one of the most popular brands in the world. Renowned for its compact yet immensely powerful blenders, NutriBullet's innovative designs can transform how you prep and enjoy food. Whether you want the best NutriBullet to cook tasty soups in fall and winter, or fancy squeezing fresh, homemade juice in summer and spring, NutriBullet designs products that make smooth, perfect blends. NutriBullet offer their iconic compact bullet blenders, as well as larger 64 ounces blenders. They even have a model for whizzing up baby food, as well as exceptional juicers and food processors. This variety makes them one of the leading appliance brands, but which NutriBullet should you buy? If you're looking to invest in one of the best blenders or best juicers, we've got you covered. We asked our expert reviews editor Millie Fender for her top NutriBullet picks. Millie's tested many NutriBullet products against blenders, juicers, and food processors from other leading brands, so she's well placed to help you figure out which NutriBullet you should buy. There are many products available to choose cheap NutriBullet, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap NutriBullet from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NutriBullet NB9-1301B Pro. The NutriBullet 900 series is our best NutriBullet blender overall. A sleek, smart design that can be used for smoothies, shakes, sauces and more, this blender is a powerful appliance. The blending is smooth and seamless, with the extra powerful 900W motor, allowing for you to quickly create concoctions of your choice in an instant. Our head of reviews and cooking expert Millie Fender says that the NutriBullet 900 series blender is one of the best I've tried when it comes to making drinks such as smoothies and shakes. It is very good at chopping through ice, and can even take on tough stems and frozen fruits to make smooth and fruity drinks. Millie especially liked that you can snap on a drinking lid to the blending jug, so your drink is ready to go as soon as you're done. That's perfect for taking to the gym, so this is a great choice if you're active or trying to be a little healthier. Powerful, easy to use and guaranteed to create a silky smooth blend, the NutriBullet 900 series is voted our very best NutriBullet blender. Number 2. NutriBullet NBF 30500C Blender Combo. If you're looking for a more multi-purpose, adaptable design, then the NutriBullet Combo is the blender for you. The product allows for you to chop and change between single serving cups and a large capacity pitcher. The 700ml travel cup with handle and a 500ml short cup are both great for taking on the go, while the 900ml colossal cup lets you blend hot soups. That's great for making blends of all capacities. You covered whether you want a smoothie for on the go, or are cooking larger meals for friends and family. Our expert tester Helen McHugh used the NutriBullet Combo to blend protein shakes, crush ice, and make a delicious carrot soup. She found that the combo was more than up to the task of each of them, and said that if you're looking for an affordable blender with a large pitcher that also doubles as a personal blender, you could do worse than the NutriBullet Blender Combo. This 3-in-1 design means that this blender has a larger footprint than other NutriBullet products, but its versatility makes it a great choice for the modern kitchen. Number 3. NutriBullet Go Portable. Voted our best NutriBullet blender for on the go and part of our best portable travel blenders lineup, this portable design is ideal for individual users and for those with more fast-paced, changeable routines. NutriBullet Go Portable is lightweight, simple to use, easy to transport and very quiet. It's not the best option to use at home, as the capacity is only 13 ounces and it can't crush ice. However, this compact design is its best feature. You can easily slip it into your bag and use it in the office, or take it on your travels and on trips away from home. It uses USB cable, so you can even run it off your laptop at work. Featuring a rechargeable base and a travel cup where you can store everything you need for your blend, all you need to do is press go. Number 4. NutriBullet Magic Bullet. It doesn't get more cute and compact than the NutriBullet Magic Bullet. This design is perfect for creating smoothies and sauces solo. The blender may be compact and not as powerful as some of the other models, with a 250W motor, but it can still create a quick and smooth blend. The design comes with multiple lids and cup sizes, and we think is a good model to purchase if you've never had or used a NutriBullet before and want to start off small. The Magic Bullet Essential Personal Blender is the countertop helper that chops, blends, and mixes to create an endless array of delectable dishes in 10 seconds or less. Makes delicious party dips like salsa, pasta sauces, frosty milkshakes and more quickly with the Magic Bullet. Handy, versatile and easy to use, the Magic Bullet takes up minimal counter space, while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the Magic Bullet blends, chops, mixes, whips and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances, and at an affordable price. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. Number 5. NutriBullet NBJ 50200 Juicer Pro. You and your family can enjoy freshly made, nutritious, delicious juice every single day with NutriBullet Juicer Pro. This complete home juicing system is the ultimate package for juice lovers. With a large 2L pulp basin, a 767ml froth separating pitcher, a glass-to-go bottle and a freezer tray for your leftover juice, you get everything you need for a complete home juicing experience. Real juice can be made just how you like it, with no added anything. No added sugars, no added preservatives and not concentrated. The only ingredients in your juices are the ones you put in the feed chute. Enjoy your juice, your way every single day. More speeds, more control. NutriBullet Juicer Pro features 3 juicing speeds to help you get the most out of every ingredient. Low speed is perfect for soft berries and kiwis. High speed is great for pineapples and cucumbers, and turbo speed will help you blast your carrots and beets. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.